Yo, let's talk about today. All right, 4 hours where we start every day. We start with the 4 hour. Okay, going into market open, we were bearish on the 4 hour and still technically bullish on the 4 hour on S&P. So we go towards the 1 hour and we see what the 1 hour says. As you can see, 1 hour tells us we are bearish. So we're going to be looking for sells today. Okay, where's the move? Okay, so we're going to be either looking for a sweep of an hourly high or session high, anything. I don't think we would get that high. I think if we were to get that high, we'd probably just keep going and continuing upwards. So I was most likely going to be looking for a continuation trade today. That was the more likely outcome. As you can see here, we come up, sweep 5-minute highs. We could have entered off of this this inverse fair value gap, but I didn't like the fact that we missed it by a couple of ticks, then reversed, and then broke back structure. That trade would have looked something like this, which it would have been a better risk reward ratio. It would have been a 2.28 to 1, and it would have worked as well. But personally, I wanted a little bit more confirmation than that. So I waited for a break of structure. Okay. Break of structure is right here. We break structure to the downside on this candle right here on 5-minute. After we swept 5-minute highs, we even distributed a little bit and just clean flush 2 TP. I could have went down to here, but again, my strategy does not show that I need to go down there. What I need to do is go to a drawn liquidity that is at least a 1-to-1. I just want to see this really fast. So I did, with this trade, I was able to fully build the safety net. So I wanted to see if it says, oh, it does. That's crazy, bro. That's insane. This is the first time having a max drawdown higher than 2,000. That's not because I won a trade, like in the day. Because again, this is end of day drawdown. I haven't traded technically today, so that's pretty dope. Okay, so what we're gonna be looking for is. Well, not what we're going to be looking for, but what we're going to be seeking and finishing, okay, is we're going to keep risking 300 a trade, like 300 to 400, whatever it is, between 300 and 400, because that's where I usually go anyways, until we get to 53,600, so $1,500 in profit. Take out a $1,500 payout, and take that and distribute it into another a couple of evaluation accounts and start from there, and just keep being consistent. This is all this is about. All this is about is being consistent. It's not about anything else. But this was a pretty nice move. I also wanted to check this as well. I gotta go to a different tab as well, because I don't want my everything getting exposed. I need to pull the authenticator app. Yeah. PA charts. Yeah. So yeah, now the stop, it does not go up any higher than 50,100. So at this point, this stays here. Okay. Now the account summary. I want to check my consistency rule here. Excuse me. Sorry. Yeah, We're looking for the minimum payout balance or whatever, but we're not going to get the minimum payout balance. But that buffer is, or the safety net is built. I saw it before. Where did I see it? There was something that I saw that was telling me. I think it's a summary. I might be wrong though. No, it's not the summary. What is it? Oh, here. Yeah. So consistency rules wise, this was only 27% consistency. Which makes sense, of course, because I'm at 52,000. It's a little above 25%. So yeah, that makes sense. But yeah, basically I'm just gonna be. Fuck. Okay, sorry. I'm just gonna keep trading, keep doing my thing, because that's all that fucking matters. It's all that matters. Also, I wanted to check this because I just wanted to see. Because I don't remember. Because here we go. Hold on. Here we go. Okay. So the first two pairs are 1,500. Second one could be 2,000. Fourth one can be 2,500. Fifth one can be 2,500. And sixth one could be 3,000. So I'm just gonna keep going. I mean, I can't really do much else, you know. I just gotta keep doing my thing that I've been doing every day and see how it goes. Can't really do shit else. I'm just going to every day thinking, you know, the same shit. It's not about the win or the loss. It's about the execution. And once I have the execution, that's all that really matters, you know? You get the execution, that's it, dude. You ain't gotta worry about much else. Right now I'm at a 63.77 with the Zella score, so I think that's pretty dope. Although every single time, oh, dude, shut the fuck up. It never tells me, oh, good trade. You did good today. Never. Every single one of my wins. My losses, you have money on the table. What's this one? Let me go to a win. Nothing. Oh, yeah, no comment. Fucking stupid, bro. Oh, you fucking talk. You fucking talk. Wow, you fucking talk. Like, bro, I can't get a fucking break, bro. Fuck. Oh, also my recovery factor is way higher up now because of that win, which is pretty dope. I fuck with that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 for 6 on here, but we got to get rid of the 1 day. 60%. 9 for 15. 60%. 15 trades in the past month or so. Almost month. 60%. Which means this is an average month. This is what I usually get average wise. So to have so far 1.8K on the month average wise. I think it's like a I think it's like a 5 to 1 or a 4.5, or sorry, a 5R or 4.5R. So if I was risking $500, I'd be at like 20. Sorry, like I think it was 2,200. 2,200. If I was risking that much, I'd be at 2,200 on this month specifically. Which is pretty good. That's good. 4.5%. I mean, yeah, I mean, it could be better. Maybe it's a less than an average month. It could be better, but that's not bad. That's not a bad month. It's really not. Plus, you got to take into account I would have had more profit most likely because one of these days was a win and one of these days was a loss. I would have taken one of those, both of those. You know, we usually go for above a 1 to 1R, so I still would have had a little bit extra profit. Although the trade percentage would have went lower. I think I would have been like, what? 58%, 57%, something like that. With those two. But yeah, dog, it's just like, man, I'm just so... I just gotta keep going. I can't really say much else, you know? I just gotta keep going. This right here on the screen was only something that I could do in backtesting up to a couple of months ago. And even during backtesting, there would be times where I'd go back and I'd be like, oh, I did this wrong. And then put in the right trade. The right trade. That would make me get a win. I have fucking videos of it on my shit. Of me lying to myself. And that would give me that fucking 70% or whatever. Like. And then I started doing backtesting where I was like, okay, I have one decision. Just like in the real markets, I can't go back. Oh well. Shit happens. Whether win or lose, and that's when I started to get 62%, 60%, 65% win rate, which is like, yeah, that's more accurate than a 70-75% win rate. Like, motherfucker, I can't acclimate that. But even last month, I did pretty well. Like, I think I went, I don't remember if fully, but last month I even did pretty well, like with risk-wise and everything. I think I was up like 3.5%, 4%, 4%, something like that. I don't know. But hey, let's just keep going. I love and appreciate y'all. Talk to y'all later. Deucitos, motherfucker.